did you go today? What happened?
We went pretty well. We got 3 bonitos all together in our boat. I got 2, Eddie got 1. Yeah, really.
Had a good day?
Yeah.
And have you ever caught a bonito?
Oh no, this is my first bonito.
And was it fun?
Yeah, definitely. He put up a really good fight.
Yeah, good stuff. And what about you?
It's my first bonito as well, and it was fighting really well, and it tied me out for the end.
Oh, okay.
First ever fish.
First ever fish! First ever fish, that's outrageous.
Give it up
Tell
now.
me, would you do it again? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, Shimo!